I'm a new creature. Slim boy music. Well, it's beats. S-I-N-G-N-A. Melody. Oh, yeah, me da. Time for the tete me. Time for a one, some tata me. Time for the dojo me. Time for a one, some tata my bravo. Come me better miss some ye. Oh, ah. To the one jamo. Me better miss some desire. To the one jama. Me better miss some ye. Oh, ah. To the one jamo. Me better miss some desire. To the one jama. Me to no limbo. I don't mean to no mean strobia. I'm into no limbo.
I prefer watching Packet TV. Them are in here. Packet TV, we are embarking on project. Yes, in there. Old factories, biara, wegu, another factory no auditorate no. Yes, in there. You pede aban them factories no. Now I then all revive no, another all restore no. I'm a catch. Then subscribe to Packet TV. Go YouTuber. Now type Packet TV. Now I click subscribe. Subscribe your notification button. I don't want anyone now board. I board you. Penna select or them no program. Biara no so side then Osaka wadi. Now they're very interesting. Packet TV, you to Yenshen, Yabedru or a Western region. Now, any nam there already in them near Pede Yentino. A be who factory be, woo, them factory no, or friend no, glass factory. Tamani is one name there, Aboso Glass Factory, Tropical Glass Nadi. Now, since them factory no wegu, factory no sono, Kwame Nkrumah no see them factory no, 1966. Now, them factory no gui, 2003. Abrana factory no what's in there electricity unti muntua one bells unti no factory no going Kwame Nkrumah ye factory no we no dem a oye Chris Gold Crest Olympio ona na ohwedo nyo na echi dem nyama no Obama factory no going America ne da na me branch a na the youth sisi ayi na yesterday be sorry we make sure the oman e be ni nti me won branch bi atimu there we ya youth a won sisi won ho da woni ndi na what dey na obetim ye di nkomo da fa oye yen factories a we gu a impo gentimi ya revival no wa branch bi a tede branch a won ankasa no memo wa ba na abo di me twa mo ma ba sisi ara na me ba the branch no ye de we na ba na ye di nkomo no na me twa mo bra.
Howdy, partner. I only have one thing to say. Subscribe to Packet TV.
For them American show no. Make come ho abade a branche anade busafo a ye no be discuss or ye jet factory ye pede anade factory say we wu ye pede ye restore no. Me no be don komo kakra bi because also we mabuna opere Ghana okolo me send ifa no ehun there abranche te be nche no bobu na ka me sa boku so aboneti ndema ye ye da no cha no na che de ina ye di da boku kama e uja ko no akwa ba di ba Packet TV bobo meeting actually ahwefo nye etifo na afi ne o bia na ye da so so nti me start for
Packet me dey bien obi a different yani Elon.
Elon dem ma ko fu hu ni no
Elon Monty.
Okay, Elon.
And they don't have friend Elon.
Very British you go to much na I was some better opportunity.
Packet da say wa me akonya. Edi kan me din ya de koja Japan. E wa ni din a.
O papa ni ke Japan ana.
Me ben no.
Oh, okay. Wa zi ya ne via be jo no ma. Wa zi a kene solution pa.
Ni din afa afre mi din akoba yo fra nwa.
De me wa.
Nyo. Amesu e fra mi nana kukumafo.
Kukumafo.
Nyo.
Akechi.
Atia.
Wow. As in actually ne dey have no. Okay. Okay, all right. Nana kukumafo. Wa kodo Japan wa adi. Na oye Elon. Also wa adi. Then we can care no. Everybody now be discuss about factories are them factories no one them one the lamplight about no yeah. Oye then here them factories in them. Me start free oye kodo Japan kodo Ghana adi ni ehun dey factories dey free ogu so a wonti won so review yare be ya akasa no na ye pede akasa fa won pa aboso glass factory nja wa rehwe mo no se enya video ya ma video we on viral because ye pede aban or restore yan factories ni man kodo aboso glass factory we gu onye eduma bi abasa na be ka fa
Oh, Packet da say ahwefo a mo hwe Parky TV so question ya ebrei otua na mo afi baby owo na waba na oba bi bisa this particular question no me deni du baby me wira so asan ko me wira ho ene sen aboso tropical grass factory ho na me tie
I net
me ko school yo aboso tropical grass factory school
oh and Sunday in the common bed
enti embra na isusa in our primary school days, you know. Your school in here, senior clubhouse. Yeah, I didn't know your papa no, your family, my memo, before I didn't know about it and fact. That businesses across the world. You know, baby, GSS, say about secondary school. I was so glad that I'm just having a and just have of them to be the redundancy. I had maybe my better nephew besides Penfosi, you man, see Casam. Akofam ti na omo hwe na omo atoto ne menti omo toto ne ma na yi a omesa frɛ papa ne ofa fo na omo ama omo akotena fie no okay ye de nim hwe ti ne be hwe ase mpenfo de ne ma bi gu akwan mu na ye ma me ne papa mu asan akwa ejuma wo mu adako ye hwe ma bi wan say padlock any police for soldier for the agini gu company entrance ade say ma junior worker bia ewurem the management staff and senior staff for me. Omo na head on why meeting. The tintin in the came now and said, "You better one thing. I me fear also." The meaning said in the agreement city or brother agreement dinner national. Say, a Jumano ain't mean to our life bill. The question now be an end the pa. Say electricity company, Ghana Bindia. Tropical grass factory, and also Abandia. Okay. This aban edi ne yanko aban ka
aban de ne ho ka
aban de ne ho ka
then aban ko so gotu
ntime enra cho say like dem kwa na ma company ya employ over thousands of people direct and indirect jobs at about more than 2,000 na say aban de ne ho ka yentime ntnase ne exanya hwe se yakoko dibosia edi ba beto ehyen ne ade de mampani fo twi for branch and so they bread amount for a minimum as compared to this factory na ye German na food there. I didn't intimate right is adept of. Na yen kase ye make you na run for some time. Na or niema say ya say kano ye spread ya man say bi ko jilo a ye man no mo bank na. Penifo intimate twa na mo bisa. E man dem rantie ye ti aboss ye adwuma na say go fit farm fire. Maybe no ne dia say de ho be kwa ko guarantee mu nti se wo bay se wo hunsuo a ani asai former yetuni ade a sa company so nya na nka wo within the catchment of western region or we can say takwa Ahoni Valley constituency a chese nka betim dia bo amabunu na yemfie ho nkonko she former gudi a yetu amra kwan emra man ho kwan mu na mpenfo ya hwehan ma sa company na gu nti ya say one penny for memo mo tu kwan akwa ma no ne akosua nimdie e wo ho na sa nimdie no mkosua yomba na mde aba betena mo fi ye dia kwanya de mo so mo mra no mebo a some of these things fine and ado buy it is all the project be by say one day so one factory sure now one day so one factory no e den a ban ko argument me enye private man bebe okay na den aban je bi na egu no yen fa ni so ma me ho okay because Ghana no say yen no boss say creating na ko fa di fra ma no ne ba okay then me kaise tama na factory o na mpani for me ati say Coca-Cola for be GB okay Guinness Ghana ba be GB what you say anything glass beer no na you ba okay and now sa nye me nyina eni go bi your man no right here is dia oh yen mpani for the best say see nuen afa sa project medie kase ati sei e dia kono ho so oboa wa twen Ghana ba be ni nyeza omu ni bet omo ya da kakra nti dani omu nti se wona wo project so e pese odi nya ne Ghana ben for yenso mabuna e wo region nim no yenso ye pese mpanimfo so asote se ye koso ye ni nje no omo modern ade o be bia to revive some of these companies na a collapse ye mo jabi ni na nanom binum de preto ma na ye men ye so ye ba be mpanimfo a ye ma bi di ye ho ya ase ye bi mo ye pese ye kasa cycle of say ye ntimi hwa ba we no mo so ye dia ba adwuma de mo e preso ye so mo ko adwuma no mu shefie o aba de say egupom
video
Japan fa wa no siare ma that's na member wa asem no hiti me hu dey special na wa asem ni abande de otuana ho twedum na ade no ma me nko oye Mr. Mafo emi bi se na ade nche dey Mr. Mafo yareba ye hu dey factory bi ma Japan wa kin wegu anade oni existence bi ye sure dey everybody hu bi say aban oboye dwuma na at the end of the day na dwuma
Light is saying. About me share my castle light into the good man. Senior staff and term junior staff in coffee. No. See, I'm a no criminal on your Juman yet. I want to say one district, one factory. Nature Jumaya go. You might be don't chase into whom say, obey me revive this company. Glass, bottle. BBI and no more. Into a person chance want to me revive it. No. See a Jumani system no more. Enti was abaning team be found. Was abaning team be found. I made them in Casa Pepri. Well, I mean, share the name and never be found. What ya?
But apart from the end name in your baby in found, American day in a pomani the last factory no. On your community na no one continue and on your team and through and what them community continue no benefits. She say ayedwuma baby ayedwuma o no benefits be brain and kwafo be so nya odi freedom edwuma na bi mpo edwuma o but edwuma o kroma boys joy the now be obi bibi o youth be edwuma e nti no as youth erinyi no adwen there dem nzama no koro because say okoro there area factory be yesi wonu so wegu adwen there oboboa o manga na net
na be omboa nti na ye ka say e was simpinifo no there ano no omo woni nko nema bi sie ho
okay
na yerebe pa
enti ebishafo ahaye Parquet TV Mr. Mafo o se dem penyufo no wo ma woni ni den onko oye factories a wegu na mpu glass factory na yere ka ho asem sisiara because of ho na ye wo proof another ye wo videos a che dey company no oni in existence minim dey also at dem asem we Mr. Elon another Elon akasa wa ade ono so baka monyim another kra ono so pede okama obiara ehwe factories a and then come yelidi factory or existence we go abasom na beka kwa oboa
so say it was say ye the root cause of factories are ewo and nyina as time went on egu ye bisa ye say then na bit me ama edwuma bi egu
okay
for me best understanding there either say edwuma no only raw materials or the bedroom. And now say sikedi ekoso. Say me say sikedi ekoso in a way no companies be over.
But me patrol Mr. Japan Okasa also the electricity bill because also no school or two lights to the another one because I say the electricity bill also that one was electricity bill no more company near ugui. Okay, glass factory near Kawasam.
Okay, never hono.
Okay,
make us have.
Okay.
Ente says sikedi, Mrs. Sikedi ekoso. It has two meanings.
Okay.
Either say, Mr. companies be over wages and salary for workers no. O can you now boom in a mentor? Those who say profit a company in Kasa make.
Okay.
Companies are able to survive.
okay.
Thank you. And it say Aboso glass factory. Our can say electricity bill. And no moon to mean to ya no. First, name be say no moon to me to ya. So moon to me to ya. What happened along the line? I be do baby omu claiming so moon to me to ya electricity bill. Just said they are not making enough profit on your electricity bill. What you say? So I will say the root cause of all this. And I buy no government in no about these problems. And yes, sir, you be waste sika. Edia share say you say $100 million and share Aboso glass factory man. You the be shame. Me manage just 1 year. E be saying. So I will say what is causing those factories to go down? And what I say, me person you concentrate on. Anything I make is those two scenarios, no. It is a sanity there, and there I was say you tackle the issue from the root cause. It's a waiting Emma company ni gu ya raw materials no munya na say na your friend say on bills no munti me to ya I just say e bia profit no mu making enough and I didn't know enough because it used to be enough. So what happened? Are people taking more than the profit of the company? The one else here. On the other hand, about sustainability, I prefer you the sustainability. I don't know if you say AD and Ramo or my I didn't know our factory. Now ABA air cut down. Now say we share the entire factory air cut down, the productivity cut down. Now to me a solving problem if you hope. Now see me Tisika go see another factory. The one district, one factory. Okay. And maybe you or say ubet me revive.
The American metro I sell watch there. I support it there or I don't revive old one instead of they create new one.
Bet me revive bi mu.
Okay.
Ebi nso ho a egu.
Okay.
Me no because some factories bi o wa share 50 time egu ye no share on state structures na are rusty. Any machines are rusty no. So also revive unless you set up a new factory. So it depends on the state of the factory. Aboso ade a meme hu ye ndra ne de me hu say structures no bebre aye weak until for me no I don't know me go inside me go hear machines near whether they are in good state
me de yenya kwane akohwe ye call enti videos ni bi na wo twa go screens no do enti etimu de in fact dem edi kenken no factories ni de dem yenya ye hwe screens no de etimu de baby wa wa deteriorate ba ntina baby so wa to my best of knowledge you know ebia obetim revive it man dem na so what
the say not say there and they say aban ni hwe for me no say factory old factories I bit me revive it I solve root cause no nye ma factory ni call down na it me solve sa problem no na di sika shim no saying ye beti sika say every one district one factory and I say sample see factory for competition good setting up new factories is good but if we don't tackle the old ones that went down and find out the reason why they went down over 275 factories in every constituency it will still go down let's say sika say na
it will still go down for one so mama na oye Japan so no we hit pa na oreka SMB na ade fa we company no no aha ye Packet TV America che wane de subscribe online TV subscribe na Packet TV sin there say epede eware epede ye birthday epede impo wan kasa ti wa na se we nya epede twa pictures a Packet TV sin there bra ipo eja we na epede ye party wan a Packet TV sin there obi twa video na mo kama na Packet TV ade kumputa wo da ba hwim ne there sisi ano Packet TV na event planners what they want to ma what and what albuma sisi mo ya ne they go around the country work tours na they very soon 7 September no oboko Nzulezo oboko ko di 3 days bibiara oye for Nzulezo no nim Nzulezo when you 400 years oye hu dey na chere there are more into it na Nzulezo na nkasa no Jomoro district or western region yebeko ho na ya fi yakohwe ho dem a ohoti Mr. Japan na Erika Simbi no but tema ka wasam na metimu de fat nti meja wo na atwa won komo no da ma ba
finalize ne man so me bra elo me kasa no o make key point because is very very important okay be say answer na be na ye nhwe the root cause it is say ye hu root cause na ye ntimi tackle the problem na ya prescribe the necessary solutions or recommendations nti question na say me say nti since a glass factory egu yi need him before how metina I take it that project upon them so more you root cause and let they find the Sakwa command government.
Okay.
If say as a nation since 2003 you two sana mo dia then it is also failure on the part of our leaders.
Exactly.
Because at the end of Shansa and the BBSC and the Bimani until we are buying our bass over some of mine. We MPR, we begin ourselves over some of mine for TNT man, team, able men with knowledge, in-depth knowledge, and moment to study all these years, and to men fan and prescribe be and farmer bands okay. When you win a marriage, money you say, you say, Trisanamo will be able to revive the company to ensure say the habitat of more area mono and the ahotoni adwuma beba ma ban so kra okoma de adwo and then ntima nkwanko basa de na le yedi empene for ya nanso ni nyina mu no de pese ye ka ne tenten ni titie nyina ne say atekra say nyese matemahu say kasapreko na medika
almost a gehok
kasapreko company
yeah
the salaries na babesom the other mbra na kasa na kasa of structures na old no ne ade fine it is but kasapreko as a private investor no on funny sika emma me side mu abra on studies this feasibility study whatever we are talking about here into ono no as individual impona timi enya body emo mo aba be hwe niema emo hu say it's what viable or creative say metimi ade ni sika da aba be
how much more
government entimi yesa nti ya encourage escafo ni omo nyame ya wa adom omo nsam obi ni say some of the ahankwa akọ bonsa ye otais nti kebi nso ebetime take this project upon as individually no also the proposal akwa ban na say be say be built operate one that boot system na omo ye ne kra na if you say ni nyina ne be boa ma mabunu ene ekuro mafo no nso anya bibia ye na nso ye besere say omo anya bi ne me mom form sika ne nkonko gu bank nkwa am di gu bank na nkwa na mrante ni nya adwuma am di twotwe ne be ba nti do omo mfa mie nnwuma no ni ebie nnwuma nso ye na nso ye Ghana ni ne obi bie na adwuma na aba bie na adwuma ne ye fawa nso me wa hia de ne asodie se wo ye ma de na ye ama nchirima nso aba beto anya bitu na ya aba adwuma no me ye private man adwuma no so la homa chefo na mko adwuma
okay
me ntum adwuma be mi ni o ya aba adwuma man di weekend Friday na say bia Saturday and Sunday no program bi ba na kwam no anya pemande on ko adwuma the one ko adwuma na ko adwuma productivity on ko so dini nyina so ye fix we are urging the government to do their part or the leaders to do their part so your mama say we also try to fix our attitude in a very small way to contribute to the social economic development of the country indeed
to contribute to the social economic development of the country. Mr. Mafo, wrap up my man.
Nice. The no one a minia at Japon akan.
Okay.
No one akan. Say I hanke kan you so see the kwaduma ho. And also so e kan bi.
All right. Nti awo de pede kan de na hanke ka. Fama na e benya no.
Ya ma e ban dwuma.
Okay, today glass factory today nka or resistance ni ahwe ni aye ni ye.
Nti go face for no more so le amache ni e koba.
But before I ever call Elon Winnie finally in a mama at Tunchiana, but mobile go face for about the Quana, your father bell. Charlie stretch. I want to go face for
oh wow,
Charlie stretch in easy.
And other
mining companies.
Yeah, among so many years I bet to be free.
All right, into Mr. Elon. But you finalize Nike. I finalize you in each year. What of be 3 be am next year.
That's it. Me final comments now. Me Francis Kasembi, Japan Kasembi say feasibility study. Yes, so factories say go no. Young feasibility studies no. So more per se, the babaka. This time they have to be serious.
Okay.
And when in that seriousness no, media sikasem no because bia begua sikasem no enti omohwe sikasem ni so be revive factory now they should look at the workers salary and wages and make sure it doesn't outweigh the income of the company profit.
Thank you. Na enchi obiara.
My wife, beautiful wife. And me babu.
And the arafo out to January.
And my dofu nyina.
Already you also January. Yeah. Mr. Japan. One reach out to Chama adofo na.
I do a seven na say busuan for her dey na me chama busuan for ina.
Okay.
Na ya sere say omon koso adom so omo nye omo afam de mfambo na oman ni nyina nko ye fama.
Good. Mr. Mafo.
Maso me chama adofo hwe me nyina.
Embo odi na. Ene do fu bi aspect bi everybody na.
Oh, ami mo adofo bebre.
Gba kure na bi odi na.
charity nyakwa odi magba wiase ame mechia opa
I trick him bow.
ame check it
E bo charity nyakwa mama kana
ayo mama
that's good. And the other for our on package enjumedi e de bra one yesterday. Let's revive the dead the factories and the young share the restore and restoration of the old factories no one existence ni bi na ha na do see makasa me say dream wey me won di dem do for me Benjamin nation the dream nation mo come be my friend mo wo friend boy was come be all there na nipa group na mpede me chia no offer me say session aha ngofo say member show no da I be chia me ade o man pressure me chia me say session papa na me cameraman on the indoors but the production manager na kasa also for the DJ Cola DJ Cola me chia papa cameraman na there ni cream ni Raf me chia papa for no me cameraman man ona me ndi dwe ya Mr. Elon Mr. Elon o ya brantia na kasa obu ne djuma kama na Japan ya also Kennedy Japan also Beniti Meji eyi kakra fi ni chene ija na Mr. Mafu so ye some serious entrepreneur bi a chale ehu na on sempi no na aba some work acha wona wo hwe no package won ye ne
on subscribe to Packet TV on YouTube.
Adomano.
And I mean, before I compare with my look at Packet TV, we are coming like fire. Do I read that?
Yeah.
All right, so Packet TV, we are coming like fire.